Comrade power. Power. Comrades power.
Power. Power. Power. Comrades ria. Comrades power. Yeah.
Bagukwana bene no Minto TV ase University ya Kisii ni gaborki wobo Barasti College Niche University bagokero kwariganwa okuyaba trust chovis cha CDF abrit kodigoro asabana kiretuguna milioni 30 cyabekirwe nsemo asingencho yechibasari
twajire gagalelo no yeturiga ntogokiri nguchaka turamatemu egwikende nande gento gekenene gyatoreta gaiga ni chibasari Mheshimiwa Wabiri koronto enge nini obisi ya nini ya CDF ndobete welcome biya sana eyuere buya ndwanyara tago kwana nabantu bali tukoigwana bagatotei chibesa chiro sinjiro ololo chire 30 million.
Message ye kwanda Honorable Wabiri jana ntwengese CDF officers nande nduna wanafunzi ba Kisii University. In fact, not only a comrade in Kisii University, we have wanafunzi ba Kenya. We need bursaries as soon as possible. We are starting exams as soon as possible next week. Immediately next week, we never chukweraiga next week to achakire exam. Na nima to chukachaka exam vya secheto nchiraika. Na nima to chukiraika, esku neta ichiba toko re fisa leas. Comrades power. Comrades power.
Echinga kicho nigo bakoretegi karabo igoroega tiabatini baborke obech college na bigo university na kuiwana na borke obech university banyalchi milioni echo asintunde ntangani nabo bech college bachikonyora entunda ya kabere.
Yesterday ntwabate meeting na abana baito ba college we agreed that inga chibesa omweshimigo Wabiri abegeta se budget 30 million chiko nyanga bachiko toisa twins tokagiri na abana be college inga chibesa chitumeka asa abana be university ase disbursement endangani alafu ya kabere echikoba na abana be college kokogera abana be university ngwanza tola matemu a weekend
abana funzi tole babas ntoige tino we are less than 20,000 30 million chibesa chile 30 million na anje wanafunzi tole babas we are less than 20,000 toka the basa litu tatupatia less than 10,000 and yet wanafunzi tole babas we are less than 20,000 chibesa zimekuwa allocated is 30 million. Comrades power. Comrades power. To the chibesa school fees so that we can clear our layers.
Nigobono asobwamo aborki wabo baganire Moskino St. Wabiri ko bachibese chibwango asikiria ngo chakabara matema eikewocha.
Bono Mheshimiwa Wabiri twaragote iyo nyaro tokonya chipasari ejo egwikende tonyare ko receive check ejo erinde tonyare ko ba comfortable togendere na masomo ito
bwate issue ya school fees nande toko insist tafadhali Wabiri ekero rasima toko bange nande mpaka next kabo mororo to coordinate issue ya school fees and everything will be okay. Yes. That's my request.
A comrade is always right. Talibo.
Yes.
We need money and a lot of money in our schools.
And
okay?
The money remains to be money
at the school fees first.
Thank you.
Yes. So, to wacho Mheshimiwa Wabiri nga chibese chio 30 million anya kwa bakago to bagere ntwa abana be university ntosieka ro kala matemo. Comrades power. Comrades power.
Reporteria oyo Minto TV editorial Nepethuel Machin.